the new AI side hustle that's making 1,479 plus day step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm super excited to have you. Today, we're diving into something that could completely change your side hustle game. Imagine waking up, grabbing your coffee, and seeing notifications telling you that you just made over $1,500 in a single day. And no, we're not talking about some complicated stock trading or drop shipping scheme. Today's side hustle is simpler, faster, and best of all, powered by AI. You heard that right. With the help of AI tools and platforms you're already familiar with, like TikTok, you could start earning up to $1,179 a day. And here's the best part. This isn't just hype. People are already doing this right now and seeing real results. Stick with me through this video because I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can get started with this AI-powered side hustle, even if you have zero experience. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to start making money. And let's talk about the hustle that's blowing up right now. Trivia quiz videos. That's right. Something as simple as a fun quiz can generate serious cash on social media platforms like TikTok. Trivia content has gone viral, and the best part is it's super easy to create. Accounts like Trivia Time HQ and others are getting millions of views, with some of their videos hitting 2 to 3 million views in just a few days. And with TikTok's new ad program, these views are directly translating into money. These videos are short, simple, and engaging. The TikTok algorithm loves them. They're the perfect mix of fun and educational, keeping viewers hooked, which helps them go viral. But how do these trivia videos actually make you money? Let me show you. So here's where the magic happens. TikTok has introduced a new ad program called the Creativity Beta Program, and it's a game changer. If you can keep your video engaging and over 1 minute long, you can earn between 50 cents to $1 per 1,000 views. That might not sound like much, but when you're pulling in millions of views, the numbers start adding up fast. Think about it. 1 million views could earn you anywhere between $500 to $1,000. And some of these trivia videos easily rack up 2, 3, or even more million views in a short time. Now you're looking at upwards of $500 a day. Pretty wild, right? You can see how these videos, once they take off, can easily start making $1,500 or more per day. And the best part is, you don't need to go viral to start seeing money. Even smaller videos with a few thousand views can bring in a steady income. Plus, it's not just TikTok ads. You can also monetize through affiliate marketing, which we'll get into later. All right, now that you understand how the money flows, let's dive into how you can actually create these trivia videos. And don't worry, you don't need to be a video editing pro or even come up with your own trivia questions. I'm going to show you how to do it fast and free. First, let's start by creating an account on Canva, which is a free and easy to use design tool. Canva has templates for everything, from Instagram posts to presentations. But for this, we're focusing on their video templates. Once you're in Canva, search for quiz video and you'll see tons of pre-made templates. Just choose one that fits the vibe you want for your content. The best part about Canva is that you don't need any design skills. Everything is drag and drop. Now that we've got a template, it's time to fill it with trivia questions. And here's where the power of AI comes in. Instead of spending hours coming up with questions, you can use ChatGPT to generate them in seconds. You don't need to be an expert in any field to create trivia content. Just head over to ChatGPT and type in something like, generate 10 trivia questions about world geography, or create 10 movie trivia questions. Within seconds, you'll have a list of questions and even multiple choice answers. ChatGPT is an absolute game changer because it saves you so much time. No more researching and coming up with questions on your own. You can use it to generate content for virtually any topic: sports, science, movies, history, pop culture, whatever you think will engage your audience. Once you've got your trivia questions, all you need to do is copy and paste them into Canva. You can personalize them if you want, or just stick with what ChatGPT gives you. Either way, this makes content creation quick and efficient. Next up, we need to give your video some life. Trivia videos are engaging when they're interactive, so we'll add a voiceover to ask the questions and guide viewers through the quiz. The cool thing about Canva is that you don't even need to record your own voice if you're not comfortable with it. Canva has a built-in AI voiceover tool that lets you choose from a variety of voices to match the tone you want for your video. For trivia videos, I recommend picking a voice that sounds friendly and conversational to keep your audience engaged. You can also record your own voice if you prefer. Just hit the record button and read out the questions. Adding a human touch can sometimes make the video feel more personal, but if you're short on time, the AI voiceover is a great option. Once you've added your voiceover, it's time to add some background music to keep the energy up. Canva offers a whole library of free music tracks that you can use to make your quiz even more engaging. Choose something light and upbeat to keep viewers entertained while they're answering the questions. Now we've got a complete trivia quiz video, complete with voiceover and music, and we've done it all without spending a dime. Now that your video is ready, it's time to post it on TikTok. This part is crucial because TikTok's algorithm can make or break your video's success. When you upload, make sure you use a catchy caption, something that makes viewers want to test their knowledge. For example, how well do you know world geography? Try this quiz and find out. This creates curiosity and encourages viewers to participate in the quiz. Don't forget to use relevant hashtags. This will help TikTok categorize your video and show it to people who are most likely to engage with trivia content. Hashtags like Sharsh Trivia Challenge, Quiz Time, and Jipashik TikTok Trivia are always popular and can help boost your video's visibility. Alright, let's talk money. Once your videos are up and running, how do you start cashing in? First, you have TikTok's Creativity Beta Program. As I mentioned earlier, TikTok's new ad program pays for videos that are over 1 minute long. The more views you get, the more you earn. Videos with 1 million views can easily make you between $500 to $1,000. Now imagine posting videos daily and growing your audience. The earnings can multiply quickly. If you want to add another stream of income, consider affiliate marketing. This is where things get even more interesting. You can promote products related to your quiz topics and add affiliate links in your bio. For example, if your quiz is about fitness, you could promote workout gear or fitness programs. Once you've signed up for an affiliate program like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale, all you have to do is find products related to your niche and promote them in your TikTok bio. When people click your link and make a purchase, you earn a commission. The great thing about this is, once you have traffic to your videos, affiliate marketing can significantly boost your income. And before we wrap up, I want to share a few bonus tips that will help you succeed faster with this side hustle. First, consistency is key. TikTok rewards creators who post regularly, so make it a goal to upload at least one trivia quiz video every day. The more you post, the more chances you have to go viral, and once you do, the views and the money start pouring in. Second, engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask your viewers to share their quiz results, and encourage them to tag their friends. The more engagement your video gets, the more likely it is to be pushed by TikTok's algorithm to a broader audience. Third, don't be afraid to test different niches. Trivia is versatile, and you can create quizzes on just about anything. Whether it's pop culture, history, or sports, find out what resonates best with your audience and lean into that. You might find that quizzes on a particular topic generate more views and engagement, so keep experimenting. That's it. By now, you should have a complete roadmap for creating trivia quiz videos that can start earning you over $1,500 a day. Remember, this is a long-term play. You might not hit a viral video right away, but with consistency and creativity, you'll start to see results. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to build passive income with the latest AI tools and side hustles. Drop a comment below if you're going to give this a try, and I'll see you in the next video.